as we are meeting for the first time. So just I want to know a little bit introduction from your side.
Yes, of course, of course. So my name is Pratibha. I'm from MP. I have done my PG in psychology and I have two daughters. There are four members in my family. It's all about me. Thank you for
Yeah,
asking.
Tanya Singh. Yes, yes. I'm Tanya Singh and I'm connecting with you from Pink City, Jaipur. I'm a homemaker and apart from this, I have started a YouTube channel also for just brush up on my speaking skills. That's all
Yeah,
about me. Okay,
that's
do you
great,
love
man.
cooking? Do you love
Yeah,
cooking?
I love cooking. Yeah.
So please share your favorite, you can say favorite dish recipe.
Actually, my husband is non-vegetarian, okay, but I'm vegetarian. So because my husband is very like it, so that's why I'm making in twice a week, okay. So if you want to listen,
Okay,
chicken recipe,
okay, you can share because
okay.
viewers are all types. Some are vegetarian, some are non-veg. If they don't like, they can skip the video.
Yeah, 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 yeah. So that's why today I'm telling you about my recipe chicken. Okay. So first I wash the chicken. Okay. And after that I stir some you can say salt and garlic paste and some spices. Okay. And you can say garlic and
You
what is
marinate
this?
all these things. You
Yeah, all
marinate.
the things are, yeah, marinate. And after that, I'm frying some chimes. Okay. And apart from other, how to say, ball. Okay. And after that, I'm frying some garlic paste and ginger paste and some onion paste. Okay.
Okay.
Like 10 minutes. Okay. And I took two ball. I took two ball and
For
I,
this,
I'm
to
yeah,
boil or to whistle,
yeah, yeah.
to whistle.
I'm boiled. Those are the different things. Okay, separately. I'm frying onion and garlic
Okay,
other
okay.
way, and I'm frying chicken.
Pieces.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. And after that, I stir the all the things into each together. Yeah, and after 30 minutes, I'm taking some spices like chili and like turmeric. Everything I stir, and after 30 minutes, it's ready to eat. Okay, and
Okay.
I stir the some how to say
You sprinkled some.
coriander.
You
Coriander.
okay. I
Yeah,
think you served with corianders.
yeah,
Cut the coriander in the small pieces. I think
yeah.
it's just like
Chopping the
a cutlet. Yes, it's just like a cutlet. I think cutlet.
no. I stir some water.
Okay, okay. That
Yeah,
time it I think juicy type. You can say juicy.
yeah, 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 yeah. Because my husband liking always you can say how to say tari like
Gravy, gravy,
recipe
thick gravy.
gravy. Yeah, yeah,
Yes.
yeah. This is my
Okay.
first explanation about in front of you making recipe. Yeah,
Because every time we are asking how you start your journey, sometimes it feels bore.
yeah,
So
yeah.
you
Of course.
should we should talk on every topic
Yeah, yeah. Of course, of course.
because
Yes.
I think most of the homemakers are very good in cooking.
Hmm.
It doesn't
So,
matter that words are not coming properly. Doesn't matter.
yes, yes, of course, of course. So, if you have any recipe, please, so please suggest me. I took a break, so that's why I'm fumbling again and again. Yeah.
I just you can say I'm little bit good in matar paneer.
Okay, please. How to make?
First, I make a paste of garlic, ginger, and
Hmm.
one chili also. I am not
Okay.
adding so much chili because my daughter is not fond of taking so much spicy and you can say spicy food. And I also don't want take.
Mm-hmm.
But my husband is very fond of spicy food.
Yeah, yeah.
So after preparing this, I always add some extra, uh, you can say chili powder over it
Mm-hmm.
before serving. So first I will cut all the cubes, cheese cubes. Sorry, cheese no,
Mm-hmm.
cheese cubes. Yeah, in equally parts. After that I fry that all the thing, and after that I put all the cubes in a cold water.
Yeah, yeah. Cold water.
And after that I take out all the cubes and keep
Mm-hmm.
aside in a one bowl also.
Okay,
After
okay.
that uh, I set a pan on my
Mm.
cooktop, and after that I add some oil,
Okay.
and after that I fry all the ingredient like onion and um, ginger garlic paste. When they
Okay.
turned golden brown, then
Mm-hmm.
I add tomato puree.
Okay, okay, okay.
And my sometimes I use frozen peas, but this time all you can say peas are very fresh, so I'm
Mm-hmm.
using this kind of peas. And after that I add, and I think boil 5 or 8 minutes, yes, on a
Mm-hmm.
medium. When
Okay.
it comes to like in a when gravy is thick, after that I add all the cubes, and in the
Okay.
last I add some garam masala,
Mm-hmm.
and I chopped some green coriander also.
Okay, okay.
That is my
Yeah.
recipe. And after that, I set the table and I
Mm.
called my husband and my daughter for lunch.
Okay. Yeah, it is wonderful recipe. Definitely I will make one day. Yeah.
I think all the homemakers know how to make matar paneer. It's a very
Yeah,
simple
yeah.
recipe.
Yeah. And tell me something about more.
More. Like I'm living in Jaipur, there are so many palaces. Every year, you can say right now, so many tourists are coming in Jaipur.
Mm-hmm.
And
Mm.
I think 1 week ago, Prime Minister Modi ji and
Okay.
Francis President also come in the Jaipur Pink City, and
Okay.
he
Okay.
PM Modi
Mm.
offered a statue. No, no, it's not called a statue. It is a small form of Ram Mandir. He has
Okay.
gifted to that president.
Mm-hmm.
Yes,
And ma'am, something, tell me, how long have you been learning this language? Because
three
you
and a
are
half
speaking
months
very
ago,
well.
I no, I never feel that I'm speaking very well. Sometimes I also fumble.
Okay, okay. No, but
Yes,
I felt like that. You are speaking very well. Yeah.
it depends on my mood. When my mind is very clear, that time I really speak very fast. Sometimes, but sometimes when I'm not feeling good, I don't know why. I al-
Mm-hmm. Yeah, yeah, yeah. So tell me your channel name, ma'am.
I will send you my channel link. After that, you can watch my videos,
Okay,
because
okay.
whenever I am taking my channel name, sometime my co-learner forget.
Yeah, 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 yeah. It's happened. It's happened, ma'am.
Yes.
Yeah, yeah.
And I never ask what is your channel name. I always said that please send your channel link. It is easy
Hmm.
for everyone.
Okay, okay. Yes, yes, yes. That's great. Yeah, yeah.
And how is the weather of MP right now?
Yeah, very hot, ma'am. Inside the home, I feel cool, but after in outside the home, yeah, it is very sunny.
Hmm. But in my area yesterday, whole day rain, and there is a idiom, uh, cats and dogs, I think. Dogs and
Okay.
cats.
Okay.
Raining whole
Mm-hmm.
day. There is
But
a
but
heavily rain also.
um, but in my city, yeah, it's very hot nowadays.
But today I am feeling very cold.
Okay, okay. That's why I didn't wear anything.
But I have here this jacket.
Yeah, 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 yeah.
Yes. And when you come to Jaipur, there is a very good cuisine also. Like there are so many food stalls where you
Mm-hmm.
enjoy the traditional cuisine of Jaipur, like dal bati churma, gatte ki sabji,
Yeah.
so many things you can eat. And there's so many kachoris also very famous, like mawa kachori, pyaj kachori. So I think most of the food lovers love these kind of
Okay.
dishes.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah,
Yes,
ma'am, please check your voice because now I can't hear properly.
but I can hear you properly.
But your no, your voice is not clear.
Any other query if you want, you can ask.
Yeah, tell me about any suggestion how to improve my English.
My only suggestion for everyone, and you can say for me also, I think we should be consistent and we should speak every day. Never think that I am not speaking correctly. Sometimes we also
Mm-hmm.
feel that how many days I have taken. I am doing practice. You can say 3.5 months, but I am not, speaking very in a quite good way. Never think. You should just speak and speak.
Mm-hmm. So if you want to learn properly, so we should take any tuition.
Yes, we can take, but first we should you can say make ourselves expert. After that,
Okay, okay. Because what happened nowadays, we are taking session every day. Okay,
yes,
like you and me. But
yes,
sometimes what happened because nobody catch our mistakes. Okay, where I'm making mistakes, but nobody wants to help me because nowadays I'm. You can say I have just started speaking only. It's been 2 months. Okay,
mm,
but I'm not improving well,
okay.
so it's happened if you have knowledge about all the things like grammar and etc, so you have to support me. Okay, because whenever some co-learners are making mistakes, okay,
Yes.
so you should say okay, you are making mistakes here, you know.
No, he was asking, ma'am, why you are not rectifying my mistake? That
Hmm.
time she was saying that when I'm taking a tuition type like thing, that time
Hmm.
I really rectify your mistake. But today I'm just taking a conversation. So why
Okay.
I rectify your mistake? Because sometimes people, you know, every people is not like us. Okay,
Hmm.
if you are recognizing my mistake, I never feel that you are saying bad things for me. But sometimes people, I think they not feel happy.
Yeah,
Yes,
of course, but who wants to you can say just who wants to catch, you know, just say I said if I'm making mistakes, so please catch my mistakes. So it is if you have knowledge about, so you should catch our mistakes. Okay, it is very helpful, it is very helpful for us.
yes, it is very helpful. But I have observed in the most of the conversation because all are just like you and me, so they are
Mm-hmm.
not rectifying any mistakes.
Mm-hmm. Yeah,
Yes.
but 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 but
But if you want seriously that someone should rectify your mistakes, I think that time tutor is very good thing.
yes.
Yes, every person has their different opinions and different
Mhm.
mindsets also.
Yeah, yeah.
But seriously,
It's
I'm
maybe
not
wrong or right. It's maybe
yes,
wrong or
I'm,
right.
seriously, I'm not rectifying anyone's mistake because I'm also a
Mhm.
co-learner. That's why
Yes, yes,
I think its
yes.
session
No
was very
problem, no
good,
problem.
and
But
I think it's enough.
okay, okay, okay. Yes, yes.